learned your first lesson?
Yes, sir. I have learned my first lesson.
Can you tell me the extension of the lesson?
Yes, sir.
Please start.
It was the first lesson from my Bihar book, and this chapter was from my Bihar book, and its name is The Fun They Had. In this chapter, there are total 24 word meanings and 10 paragraphs and 5 short question answers and 5 long question answers. In this chapter, there are total 5 characters: Margie, an 11-year-old girl; Tommy, a 13-year-old boy who is Margie's friend; Mrs. Jones, Margie's mother, and a mechanical teacher who taught Margie; and a county inspector who is in computer engineering. In this chapter, Margie, a 11-year-old girl, added in her diary titled that today Tommy found a real book, that the book Tommy found was very old and their pages were crinkly folded. The book Tommy found the book. It was from in the attic, which was near his bedroom, and Margie said to Tommy that her grandfather told him that when they were a student, at that time the stories were printed on the paper. Tommy was shocked. How can stories were printed on the paper? Then Margie and Tommy were talking. Then Margie's mother called Margie, just come and take your school. Margie said to Tommy, just wait for 1 hour, I just go and take my school. Margie was going to take her school, which was right next to her bedroom. Margie went in her school, and a mechanical teacher who is a robot said to Margie, just keep the yesterday's holiday homework in the paper slot. Margie do so. After that, Margie and Tommy met again, and they were talking about the book. Margie asked Tommy that what about the book is. Margie said to Tommy that it was about a school. Margie asked Tommy how anyone can write about a school. Margie said Tommy, I hate school, because he was alone in the school and there is no one with him. Only a mechanical teacher who is on television screen or a robot taught him. In the television screen there are millions of books. Tommy said to Margie. Margie asked Tommy how an human teacher knows as much as a mechanical teacher. Tommy said, just take my father's example, he knows as much as a mechanical teacher. Then after that, Margie's mother called him to take her to school. Margie went in her bedroom and taking the school, the robot who is a mechanical teacher saying to Margie that today we will learn about fraction. He gave a question 1/3 and 1/4. Margie was thinking what the fun the student at that time having. They were shouting in the school campus and what the fun they.
Thank you. Thank you. How can you prepare your whole lesson? Because I feel that it is impossible to the 9th class student. How can you prepare?
Sir, it is because of you. You have tell a new method to prepare the full lesson. In this method, I just have to complete the full chapter and recognize everything with his page number and passage, word meaning, etc.
What do you want to education to the student of 9th class?
So I just want to say that they were also learn this method, how to prepare these stories and any subject chapter in this method.
How do you feel this method of learning whole lesson?
It was very excellent method for learning. By this we can learn any chapter for many days and many months also.